I'm very sorry. Really, I don't like to argue with people who are seeking sensational things, or perhaps diverted by interested cycles. But the reality is not so. The reality, there is a problem, and this is a political problem. So we tried our best in going around Africa or elsewhere to promote a peace solution for these people and Ethiopia. But there are involvement of superpower, of course. It's not very easy. Therefore, unfortunate people remain sacrificed, their interest, their freedom. It depends the people themselves and, of course, the various important countries to understand the legitimacy of people for achieving their own freedom.
Demon time. Yeah.
Look, stop, I don't do the talking.
Yappity yap.
They on zero, they ain't scoring.
Please tell me why they talk like that.
Look, I'm on the block with demons.
Demon time.
Man, I got bare feelings.
You said that you'd change.
You're all on a stitch.
Splash, splash, splash.
Got a bulldog on my hip.
Crash, 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 crash.
Man, I'm on the block with demons.
Demon time.
Got bare feelings.
You said that you'd change.
Nothing is permanent in this world. No poverty is permanent, as well as prosperity is permanent. We, yes, are in difficult, economical-wise, but we are trying our best to cope this, and of course, with the help of friends and with our determination, we hope to overcome.
Look, he wanna be the guy. Blow man off the top of the block. End dubs all 9 and 9. Got her on side, never thought I would. Now she on my snap on height. She asked why I air the cool. It's my phone and I can do what I like. YK brought rain his neck. All my demon time. 2 cups, she demonized. Only God can get her right. My young boy wild and loose, but he always got it tight. Spin a rack on my shoes, so watch your step, my nigga, alright? Look, stop, I don't do the talking.
Yappity yap.
They on zero, they ain't scoring.
Please tell me why they talk like that.
Look, I'm on the block with demons.
Demon time.
Man, I got bare feelings.
You said that you'd change.
You're all on a stitch.
Splash, splash, splash.
Got a bulldog on my hip.
Crash, 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 crash.
Man, I'm on the block with demons.
Demon time.
Got bare feelings.
You said that you'd change.
waxa Soomaali u baahan tahay wax fara badan inay yihiin oo in la qabtaa xaq ay tahay dhaqaalaha wax badan bay u baahan tahay in laga qabto tacliinta wax badan bay u baahan tahay in laga qabto caafimaadka wax badan bay u baahan tahay in laga qabto xagga dhismada aadanimada sharafkiisa iyo gobonimadiisa wax badan bay u baahan tahay in la qabto marka inta caruur Soomaaliyeed ay gaajo u dhimanayso ama qof Soomaaliyeed uu cudur u dhiman hayo sideeba aan marka ugu marayn karayna inaan wax qabanay balse anaga idin waxa weeye maalin walba meeshii aan qabanna waa inay meel sugan noqotaa ee wax dhalanteeda waa inay noqon waxaanu qaban karno inaan qabanno waxaanan qaban karinna inaanan u dhuun taagin waqti aan munaasib ahayn anagoo gaarin waqtiga munaasibka mid walba inaan sugno